You are a nurse.
Yes, I was.
And you work in the vascular department?
Yeah, it's for those who underwent a heart surgery, like many kind. And before coming also, I felt very trouble in my breathing because, like Pastor yesterday, he mentioned that there is someone of you who is oppressed and it has become a disease because of the trauma. And I'm that woman. It has been 2 years when I had that problem with my heart. If it is not God who will heal me, I will never first go to the doctor. And then when I came yesterday and when you mentioned that, and immediately I felt the light of God upon me, and I felt that the burden that is troubling me all these 2 years it has just lifted up. And I felt so light, I could breathe again. Yeah,
Yay.
I was not able to breathe.
You could breathe properly.
Yeah.
Hey, hallelujah.
And then I could breathe again, and I felt so peaceful and so completely free.